The very foundation of human knowledge is currently being polluted by completely fake, machine-generated scientific citations at an industrial scale. A recent audit of PubMed Central uncovered over 4,000 completely fabricated citations embedded within more than 2,800 biomedical papers. This chart shows the rate of fabricated citations in published papers from 2023 to early 2026. The data line spikes violently upward, taking the ratio of infected papers from 1 in nearly 3,000 to 1 in just 277. That is a 12-fold increase in just 3 years. The extremes are even more severe. One oncology paper published in 2025 had 18 out of its 30 citations entirely hallucinated. That is a 60% fabrication rate in clinical medical literature. These metrics come from a massive audit conducted by an investigative team from Columbia and the University of Eastern Finland. The human knowledge base is actively degrading because the traditional academic publishing model operates too slowly to catch fraud generated at machine speed. Large language models do not query databases and copy-paste facts. They are probability engines. They predict the next logical text token based on statistical patterns. This behavior results in plausible fakes. An AI will construct a citation using a real author's name and highly relevant keywords, but attach them to a non-existent journal volume and publication year. We saw the exact same mechanism fail in the 2023 legal case, Mata versus Avianca. A lawyer submitted a brief filled with flawless, perfectly formatted legal precedents generated by ChatGPT. The cases simply did not exist. Both the legal and scientific review systems share the exact same vulnerability. They are conditioned to blindly trust text that mimics the correct structural format of a citation. Because the 4,000 hallucinated citations were found in medical journals, it is easy to assume the biomedical field is uniquely corrupt. It isn't. Biomedicine only appears worse because the discipline relies on PubMed Central. This is a massive, centralized, and machine-readable open dataset, which means data scientists can actually run automated audits on it. Disciplines like the humanities and business suffer from the exact same AI fabrication rates. Their data is just locked in opaque, fragmented silos, making systematic auditing nearly impossible. The hallucination epidemic is a universal vulnerability across all academic disciplines that lack automated verification structures. The traditional publishing pipeline takes anywhere from 6 to 24 months to move a paper from submission to final publication. In fast-moving industries like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or biotechnology, an 18-month delay means a discovery is mathematically obsolete before it is ever printed. Compounding this bottleneck is the unpaid labor crisis. The legacy peer review system relies entirely on volunteer human reviewers, who are currently facing extreme fatigue from an ever-growing volume of submissions. Commercial entities known as paper mills exploit this specific fatigue. They operate for profit, flooding journals with high-volume, low-quality submissions designed to overwhelm exhausted reviewers. To bypass automated plagiarism checkers, these paper mills run stolen text through AI paraphrasing tools before submission. This results in what bibliometricians call tortured phrases. Because the AI is forced to find synonyms for rigid scientific terms, standard phrases morph into absurdities. Breast cancer becomes bosom peril, and random forest shifts to arbitrary timberland. The legacy gatekeepers of science are structurally incapable of defending against industrialized, high-speed, machine-generated fraud. In response, the academic community has initiated a massive post-publication backlash. Decentralized, community-driven validation is actively replacing closed, anonymous peer review. Independent data integrity sleuths, like Elizabeth Bick, are using public platforms like PubPeer to flag duplicated imagery and AI-generated text that exhausted traditional reviewers routinely miss. This decentralized pushback has provided so much undeniable evidence of fraud that major journals are being forced to issue mass retractions. This erosion of trust is driving a move toward a preprint-first standard, a trend expected to define how most quantitative fields operate by 2030. Researchers in fast-moving fields no longer wait on journals. They upload their work immediately to open servers like arXiv or bioRxiv, using a digital timestamp to establish instant priority of discovery. Advanced fields like artificial intelligence and physics have already fully abandoned the journal-first model. They operate on a completely preprint-first basis. Science is actively abandoning slow, private journal review in favor of instant, public, and decentralized verification. The primary goal of scientific communication has shifted. The old model was built to carefully archive knowledge. The new model is built for rapid dissemination and execution. The static PDF is dead as the primary unit of scientific communication. The true scientific outputs of the modern era are version-controlled code repositories, massive datasets, and open-source model weights. Platforms designed for hosting executable code and interactive data notebooks are now far more influential in proving the validity of a discovery than the text written to describe it. Traditional journals are being pushed down the pipeline. They are evolving into secondary archival layers or final certification stamps, not the initial place where discoveries actually happen. The traditional paper is now just a marketing brochure. The actual science lives in the executable digital assets. Because we cannot ban artificial intelligence in science, we must deploy AI to police AI. Relying on a single large language model to verify facts is dangerous. Recent audits show that individual models hallucinate citations at a rate between 11.4 and 56.8%. The fix is a multi-LLM pipeline. Query 3 independent models, and hallucinated data is forced to diverge. Different architectures invent different lies. But when 3 models agree on a citation, verification accuracy skyrockets to 95.6%. By forcing different AI architectures to cross-check each other, independent errors cancel out, mathematically eliminating the vast majority of pattern prediction lies. While a 95% accuracy rate is a massive improvement, it is not secure enough to serve as the absolute gatekeeper for global scientific integrity. The final required layer is a hybrid filter, pairing multi-AI consensus with automated database lookups. When this consensus is cross-referenced against absolute registries, the system catches the small fraction of hallucinations that multiple models independently generated. This combination of pattern matching and database verification effectively filters out more than 99% of fabricated citations before they can be archived. Machine-generated content has outpaced human oversight. Maintaining scientific integrity now requires a verification architecture where independent AI systems are actively deployed to audit each other. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.